Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider, and today I'm actually going to talk about cryptocurrencies, and I will tell you how much profitable they are, and I will encourage you to join this market as well because it's a lot of profit in this. Okay, and I will also tell you briefly about the Bitcoin. Okay, very briefly because there is like 80% chances you already know about it. Okay, so the story begins back in 2009 when a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto created this cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. And the idea behind that was he wanted to create a decentralized currency that people can use to buy, sell anything they want. Okay, um, and he wanted this currency to be not issued by some government, like they print money, Federal Reserve, they print money, um, but this guy wanted no government should be able to print this. Okay, he wanted it in a way that it should be decentralized and not control and not be controlled by any government. Okay, but controlled by the people who joined this network, this community. Okay, and that idea behind using that idea, he created this currency which we call Bitcoin. And at that time, back in 2009, it wasn't worth anything. Okay, one Bitcoin was maybe less than $1, even 1 penny. Okay, but today, as you can see on my chart, this is the famous cryptocurrency exchange market which we call Poloniex. And right here we have Bitcoin's current value is $2,800. Okay, more than that. And you can guess how much profit you can make. Like if you were back in 2009, if you had bought like maybe 100 Bitcoins, they were worth less than, I guess, $5 maybe. So now you will be millionaire basically. Okay, so that's how much profitable this market is. Now, following the footsteps of Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies came out. Okay, like Litecoin, maybe Dogecoin, and many other coins following the same footsteps of Bitcoin. Okay, and I guess 2 or 3 years back, this currency which is called Ethereum came out, and at that time it was less than $1, I guess. Okay, its price was less than $1, and I remember that when I bought this Ethereum, it was like $2.5 a coin. Okay, and it's not very old. Okay, I guess back in 2015, I guess about 3 years ago, I purchased that, and at that time it was $2.5, and now you can see it is $273. Okay, $273 value it has, this Ethereum coin. Okay, so you can guess, I mean, if you find a chance to buy a new cryptocurrency that is still its initial stage and it's very low in value at this point of time when you're entering into this market, because every now and then a new currency comes out. Okay, a new cryptocurrency comes out, and it grows. Okay, so if you get a chance to buy a cryptocurrency that is less than $1, maybe, like these days we see this currency which is called Ripple, and it is less than $1. It is about 28 cents at this time. Okay, so if you get a chance to buy like 1,000 of Ripples now, okay, maybe after 6 months or about 7 months, it will be like $10 maybe, you never know. Okay, so maybe it is $10, so you make like more than 500 times. Okay, I don't know exact number, but you make a lot of profit. Okay, so within short period of time you make a lot of money in this market. Okay, and now because there are many exchange markets of cryptocurrencies, like if you have some bitcoins, you can sell those and buy ethereum. If you have some ethereum, you sell them and buy a ripple very easily, because there are a lot of exchange markets around there now, which make it very easy for you to exchange those currencies. And as you can see, here we have like to $25 million volume was traded on Bitcoin from past 24 hours. Okay, so this has grown huge. This is becoming huge day by day. So I suggest you also enter into this market and try it. Okay, let's say maybe $100. Okay, and buy something that is like, as you can see, this Digibyte coin at this point, you can see is minus 16% at this time. Okay, so like this, I have the chart opened here. So if the currency goes down like 16%, it goes down, you probably want to buy that. Okay, and don't worry if something goes down. You don't worry. You're thinking that you made loss. No, you did not make loss. If something has went down, you just stay cool and wait for the time, and the time will come, it will be back again, and it will gain more value than you ever thought. Okay, so if something is down like 16% or maybe 20%, you want to buy that. Okay, so you go and buy that currency and wait for like 1 week or 2 week, it will be back up 16%, and you will make that 16% profit. Okay, okay, now I will go and briefly tell you how you actually do that. So first of all, you need to find an exchange market in your area, or you need to find some exchanger who will be willing to give you his bitcoins, and in exchange with your in your fiat currency. Okay, like if you have some dollars with you and you want to buy some bitcoins, you probably will look for an exchanger that will take your dollars and give back some bitcoins to you. If you have bitcoins, then you're already it's very easy to actually invest those bitcoins into some exchange market, and then buy some other currencies, sell them, buy them, sell them, make profit. Okay, all right, so first thing which you are gonna do is you get some bitcoins, and after that you create an account with this exchange Poloniex. There are some other exchange markets, and I will also talk about them in future videos, but for now I just want to stick with this because I'm using it from I guess 2015, so 3 years. So I am, so I can for sure say that it's trustworthy, and it's trustworthy exchange market that you can use. Okay, so, and also you can see that this BitShares currency at the moment, it gained 71% profit in past 24 hours. Okay, so you can clearly say that this market is very profitable. I mean, if you get the chance to enter into this market, then you will definitely make profits. Okay, so as you can see here, this currency which is called BitShares, it had very low value right here about yesterday. Okay, so I mean, let's say 3 days ago. Okay, so 3 days ago it was at this point. Okay, 0.0000039 Bitcoin. Okay, it was worth 0.0000039 Bitcoins, and now it is more than 72%. Okay, I mean it's more than 72%. But yeah, you get the idea, like how much profitable this market is. Okay. um okay what I was okay so what I was talking about is how you invest in it. First, you get bitcoins. Okay. Secondly, you invest those bitcoins in some of this exchange market. Okay. um by the way, if you have no one who can give you bitcoins exchange in exchange with some other currency which you have, you can contact me, and I will get you someone who will buy some bitcoins for you. Anyways, so you get those bitcoins, you create an account with this market, you go to deposit section, create an address, and send your bitcoins to that address which you created. Then voila, you will have that you will have those bitcoins invested into this account. The next thing you want to do is you want to find a cryptocurrency that you want to trade against bitcoin. Okay, so let's say at this point I'm very interested in Digibyte because it went very low, and I'm speculating that it will be back to um, right this level. Okay, I am suggesting that it will reach this level, which is 0.00020 bitcoins. Okay, so if I'm here, what I will do, I will have some bitcoins here, and what I will do, I will select the best rate which is available at this point. What I will do, I will insert my, let's say I want to buy 0.2 worth of Digibytes at this price. Okay, so what I will do, I will click that price, and I will insert my bitcoins, and I will click buy. And what will happen, it will take the best price that is available here, and it will buy Digibytes for you, and you will have those Digibytes in your account. Okay. Next, what you wanna do is you wait until the price goes in your favor, and it will go in your favor, and that's my promise. Okay, because I know this currency very well, and I know that this is very good support here, and it will definitely go back up. Okay, so after you have bought that currency, that cryptocurrency, you just stay cool. Okay, you have that currency in your account, just stay cool. Maybe go on a vacation, maybe go on a tour to some country you like, and when you're back, maybe after 1 week or something, you will see that this cryptocurrency will gain some value. Maybe it gets double in its value. So you sell back those Digibytes, or maybe any other currency which you want, and then you have the profit. All right. So I remember last time when Ethereum came out, I thought it's not very good, but even then I bought like 200 ethers at that time, and at that time it was worth $2.5. Okay, at that time it was worth $2.5 when I bought 200 ethers. Okay, and now you can see it is $273 in value. So you can guess how much profit you can make here. And maybe I will go to my trade history. These days I didn't put big investment in here, but what I want to show you is I will go back in 2000, what it is, 2016. Okay, so so here you see I bought this this currency which is called BCN, Bitcoin. Okay, and I bought at this value 0.00007. Okay, and I bought about 1.1 million Bitcoins at that time, and it was worth about 0.08 Bitcoins. Okay, now if you go to your exchange market and you find BCN, okay, 1.1 million, remember, you go there, and now what you do is you want to sell 1.1 million, so what you write, 1100000. Is it right? Yes. So it is 1.1 million Bitcoins. So now it is worth 1.55 Bitcoins. Okay, so it's 1 year, not much. Okay, 1 year. In 1 year I came from 0.08 dollars, 0.08 Bitcoins to 1.55 Bitcoins. Okay, it's not doubled, it is like 8 to the 16, so it is actually 20 times. Okay, my initial investment turned into 20 times. Okay, you can and now if you go and you put in how much this Bitcoin is worth, so you go to Bitcoin and you put that value in here. It is about $4,000. At that time it was less than $50, I guess. Okay, so I bought $50 worth of Bitcoins, and now they are $4,000 worth. I'm not sure, but it's very, like, you came from 0.08. By the way, that at that time 0.08 Bitcoin wasn't worth $2,000. Okay, at that time 1 Bitcoin was, I guess, $250. Okay, so I guess it was $26 maybe. Okay, so I bought like $30 worth of Bitcoins in 2016, and now they are worth $4,000. See how much gain it is. So I would suggest you also find some time and explore this market. If you have any trouble getting Bitcoins, buying them, you can contact me. Maybe I will arrange some Bitcoins for you. And if you want to buy any of these cryptocurrencies and you have not those resources to buy them directly, you can contact me and I will help you buy them. Okay, wish you good luck with crypto trading, and have fun. Take care, and bye bye. See you soon.